Subhash Karthik is an Indian entrepreneur, master communication coach, and a motivational speaker. He is the co-founder and head coach of IDQ Value Adder Academy. He has educated himself into life coaching and neuro-linguistic programming. But according to him, one has to be more educated than qualified. From his early childhood, he was an introvert, didn't speak a lot, and could not be able to express himself. And that was the reason he felt a lot of problems in his classroom training. When he was a student in school, he could not even be able to ask a single question to his own teachers. And that really impacted his own education. He was very shy. But today, he is one of the leading communication coaches in India. Not only he transformed himself, he transformed everyone who came to him with the hope of getting rid of the fear of speaking English and gaining confidence. Till date, he has coached more than 50,000 people. Today, he coaches businessmen, service people, coaches, trainers, speakers, housewives, students, who not. According to him, no one is destined to be or remain a failure forever. He says,
"Till you work on your goal, you cannot fail. Always, always, always try to improve yourself."
Today, people from various parts of India connect with Mrs. Subhash Karthik and get trained because everyone knows if there is a coach who can really transform any person by sharpening their communication skills and organizing their personality, there is only one name, Subhash Karthik. He is a person who believes in integrity, being generous and friendly. He has been inspired by his father, Mr. Karthik Kumar Mandal. Without his teaching and encouragement, he would not have been a coach today. As a token of gratitude and respect, he carries his father's first name as his own surname. From his mother, Srimati Sheila Mandal, he learned the real meaning of compassion. Pratichi M. Shukla, his wife, his real-life partner, stood by him when everyone had laughed at his decision of leaving a secure job and plunge into full-time coaching. They have two loving children, one daughter, Shravya, and a son, Pramit. His family is everything to him. His vision is 1K5L. That means by 2026, he wants to create 1,000 coaches who will finally transform lives of 5 lakh people. He speaks the language of possibilities, passion, positive leadership, pure love, and profound happiness. He is none other than Mr. Subhash Karthik.